In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you an AI bot that I have been using for the last 3 months, and it's giving me amazing results. Hey, hello, my name is Ana Castillo, and welcome to my channel. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you all the information about this AI bot that I have been using for 3 months. And something really important, guys, is that I'm going to be sharing with you everything, but I'm not a financial advisor. Do not consider this a financial advice. I'm just a regular person here on YouTube that is literally sharing the information. If you consider that this is for you, consider using the link below so you can join. Okay, first of all, I'm not a trader. I don't know anything about trade, but this bot is giving me amazing results, and it has been really consistent for the last 3 months. Okay, I'm using this tool here on this exchanger that is called BitradeX. BitradeX is an exchanger that has been around for over 4 years. And as you can see, they do have their global ambassador. In this case, their global ambassador is actually Oliver Giroud. You know that he is an active player. He won the World Cup with France. And I was like, wow, that sounds actually super interested. One of the reasons why I choose BitradeX is because they have this AI intelligent that it says that it's powered by ARK trading model, which take into consideration a lot of strategies and a lot of things before it put the trade. Okay. Also, here you can see that it has been registered in the UK, and everybody can use it as long as you have an internet connection. Here you can see the top gainers like in any other exchanger, but the service that I'm going to be talking about is this one, the BitradeX AI bot. It's super simple. You can literally join it with one click. You can see the trades, okay? But here's something really important. Here's an example of the performance online, but remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. So the annual return, it's currently 178% give or take. The win rate is over 65%, and this is actually working 24/7 because it works in the crypto market. It's actually work with futures. Okay, so that's the reason why it's actually available 24/7. Okay, here you can see like with any other exchanger, you can do spot trading, you can use future trading, but here you have the AI bot. And something that caught my attention is the fact that they do have a Visa card, which they call the BTX card. You can actually have the physical one and the digital one. The physical one is not available worldwide, but as long as my understanding is that it doesn't matter where you're from, you can use the digital one, and you can add it to your Apple Pay, Google Pay, Alipay, WeChat Pay, and other platforms. The fee is 0.7%. Okay, you can see here some of the trusted by some of these industry leaders here, and they do have an Android app, and also it's available on iOS. Okay, so you can actually use the app as well. I prefer to use the computer, but there are some things that I'm going to share with you, and that you're going to see some screenshot here. It's from the app per se. Okay, so what else can I tell you about BitradeX? Well, as I told you before, BitradeX is an AI-powered digital asset trading platform. Um, they work worldwide. BitradeX has a UK financial background. Remember that they have the AI-powered global trading tool. They have been around since 2022 as a trading platform, as you can see here. Okay, here you can see what I told you before about the ARK trading model, that they actually have their own AI bot tool. Okay, here you can see that they do have the compliance system with the UK financial background. They have a complete KYC and AML identity anti-money laundering system as well. As you can see, also they has been trusted with certificate, for example, for Certic, Elliptic, chain analysis, secure block. You can actually check on them on Certic. Um, They do have some investors and partners, as you can see, like big names like BitGet, CoinMarketCap, Binance, and others. So if you go to CoinMarketCap and you check on the top crypto exchanges, you are going to see that they are in the spot number 87. Okay, here we have it 86. Okay, here you can see this is the volume that they moved on the last 24 hours, over 500 millions. Okay, this is the volume that they actually move. And as I told you before, they has been around for quite some time. The service that I'm going to be talking about, and this is the tool that I actually use, is the AI bot. Okay, this is the tool that I use. You can see that they do have like different ways in which you can use it. They do have the flexible one. This is the AI daily. There is no restriction. Literally, you can use it for just one day and that's it. Okay, so if you want to give it a try, you can actually use this one. But I suggest you to go with this one. This is the one that I'm actually using. Okay, they have the AI 30D, which is 30 days, AI 90D, which is 90 days, AI 180D, and AI 360D. Diana, which one are you currently using? Okay, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. I actually started with this one, the AI 90D, because I was like, I want to give it a try. I want to see how it actually works, how it actually performs, and all this stuff. So I started with this one. Um, but right now I'm using this one, which is the AI 360D. Okay, if you want to have some kind of information like how much you can be able to earn without compounding. Okay, without compounding, you can click here where it says custody. Okay, and here you're gonna see like let's say that let's go with round numbers. Let's say that you're gonna go with 1,000. That's the amount that you're gonna invest. So on average, you're gonna be earning $5. Okay, by the time this expire, after 360 days, you're gonna be earning $1,800. So $1,800. That's what you're gonna be earning. But something really important, guys, that this is without compounding. Okay, this is actually without compounding, and I'm going to show you more about this. Okay, I do have an account with a $3,000 investment. Okay, a little bit less than 3,000. Okay, you're going to see that the estimate earning is $15. Okay, just in case that you are not looking properly. So it's this. Okay, so here are some screenshot of the actual app. You can only see this on the app. Okay, on the very first day, the earning was less than $15 because it's a little bit less, 2,998. Okay, but it's actually growing. By the 28th of February, this account was earning $16.60. Then how is that actually possible? Because of the compounding effect. Okay, so that's the reason why you're gonna see here that this actually estimate their daily earning. So it's 15, but the compounding it can be like 0.2%, so something like that. So then if we move forward here on March, by the end of March, this same amount, the same investment was earning 24.27. Okay, so by late April, you see here 26.63. Okay, and the cool thing is that you can actually have as many bots as you want. Okay, you can have like, let's say like, okay, you're gonna start with 1,000 with this one, 360, but then you're like, okay, I already earned 100. By the way, you can withdraw every single day if you want. Okay, there is no restriction on that, and you can actually add more. Okay, not to the same custody or to the same bot, but to a new one. Okay, you can actually do that if you want. At the end of the day, it's optional. Everything is going to depend on what you would like to do. And this is like any other exchanger. Okay, this is like any other exchanger. You can go here to assets. You can go here where it says spot account. And if you have some cryptos on your favorite wallet, you can put it here. If you don't have cryptos, but you would like to purchase, you can actually do it here as well. You can buy it with a debit card or a credit card. It can be Visa, MasterCard. You can actually do that as well. Okay, so again, if you say like, hey, this is something that I would like to give it a try, consider using the link below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.